driver.
Sir.
The driver came and he's like, I have an unresponsive person, and then he's like kind of gasping for air.
Yeah.
Does anyone know him? No one.
You have dark can ready?
Yes, I do.
Alright. How much you want to go with?
I'll start at 0.5 right now.
Sounds good.
You got any spare gloves in here?
I don't have any.
I got some right by my groin right there.
Oh,
Great. That pouch. Go ahead and
Thanks.
pull it open. That's just an honest, easy spot to get to.
Right. Got it. Thank you.
Get to?
No, but I had one.
Hey,
bud. Hey, how you doing? Fire department here. Paramedics.
What'd you guys do? Is there a second unit that could
How you
just swing
feeling?
by quick for?
I'm alright.
Alright.
Just hurt. Alright, Houston, you gonna follow me, alright, buddy? Houston, use the rail, man. Come on, son.
Yep, that's your hat and glasses.
Yeah, where's the...
Your bag is up front.
Oh, we got different
And that
glasses.
key is mine.
Austin, here's the cover for it.
Is that alright if I just check out real quick?
Stand up really quick?
Yeah, please. That'd actually be helpful if you don't mind if I just pat you down quick.
I have a problem with that.
Okay. Do you have anything on you that can hurt these guys at all?
No, sir.
Okay. How come you have a problem with that?
Because I don't know what I have.
Well, here's what happened. You went unresponsive, and you're agonally breathing, which means like laborious, like pre-death breathing. They gave you a little bit of Narcan, which treats opioid overdose. I'm not saying that you did anything intentionally or illegal, but because of that, that makes me think needles. Even though you're telling me it's pills, I just want to triple check that before you lay on that cot. Is that cool? How many pills do you think you took?
About 4.
Okay, and they're your prescription pain meds?
No.
Is it a pen, Steve? No, I don't.
Are they prescription? I just don't want you to fall over. Prescription
No,
pain
I'm not
meds?
gonna fall. I just gotta get my...
Okay. Prescription pain meds?
Yeah, they were my wife's pills.
Okay, alright. Do you have more of the bottle so we can see what we're working with?
I just had the 4 pills that she had.
Okay, what kind of pills were they?
They were just like morphine, I think.
Okay, and they're your wife's?
Yeah.
And they're her prescription?
Yes, sir.
Okay, alright. What I'm gonna do, bud, I'm gonna pat you down, okay? You're not in any trouble, but I need to make sure nothing's gonna happen with them, okay? Alright?
Wait, I can't, I have to check myself first.
Alright, check yourself before you wreck yourself?
Yeah.
Alright, just...
Hey, Houston, real quick, do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Okay. Kind of a bulge on your right side.
That's my phone.
Okay, don't reach for anything. Just kind of
That's
put
my
you down
phone.
real quick.
I don't want, look, man, I have a problem with officers touching me, man.
Okay.
Lift up your shirt then.
Sure.
I get nervous and stuff.
You lift your shirt up a little bit so I can see your
face.
phone.
Everybody's safe.
Look, this is my...
Oh, whoa! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck!
9101, shots fired.
Oh!
I get
Just lift up your
nervous
shirt,
and
bud.
stuff.
Lift up your shirt.
Up a little so
We
I
want to
can
make
see
sure
your
everybody's safe.
Look, this is my...
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! We'll get you. Just stay there, okay, buddy?
Get the ambulance up for the female!
Don't. Just stay there, buddy, okay?